Hi, I'm Seth David. I'm the president and founder of Nerd Enterprises Incorporated. You can't run a business with bad books. Bottom line, if you know you're looking for a new bookkeeping solution or anyone at all, or if you just think your books don't look right, then you're in the right place. I can take a look at your balance sheet. In fact, you and I should look at it together. For example, if we look at your balance sheet, first thing I need to do is make sure that the bank accounts are reconciled. With that assurance in place, I know that everything that cleared your bank accounts is somewhere in here in the books, so that if then we go through your accounts receivable and you look at one of these invoices on here and tell me, Seth, I know that invoice was paid, then I know where to look to find where that payment is, and I know how to correct it on your books so that our accounts receivable is accurate, our income is accurate, and everything else starts to fall into place. Because with your knowledge of the operations and my knowledge of the accounting, we can get in there very quickly, cut through your balance sheet, and figure out what's wrong. And then, of course, I have the experience and knowledge to know how to fix it once we've uncovered anything that may be wrong with your books. My experience, having worked with a lot of business owners over the years, is that if you think something doesn't look right, it probably doesn't. So who am I? Why should you trust me? Why should you rely on me? Why should you even schedule a call? Well, again, my name is Seth David. I'm the president and founder of Nerd Enterprises Incorporated. I'm a member of the Trainer Writer Network, which is part of Intuit's prestigious network of accountants and bookkeepers from all around the world. I've been held out as one of their top global influencers. I speak at their QuickBooks Connect conference every year, teaching other accountants and bookkeepers how to do this stuff. So if that's not enough for you, then just do some Google searches. Check out my YouTube channel. Search for Nerd Enterprises, search for Seth David. You'll find me, and I think YouTube is probably the best place to go, because there you'll see I've done a number of videos, hundreds of them in fact, that will show you that I actually know what I'm talking about and I know what I'm doing. Bottom line, look around this page where you're seeing this video. There should be some bright, ugly buttons that get your attention that say schedule a call. Let's get on the phone, let's do the discovery call. From there, we'll schedule an hour to review your balance sheet. I do charge for that, but it's valuable. And then when we're done, we'll know exactly what you need and how we can address those needs and how we can get you into a state of compliance, and then from a state of compliance into what I like to call a state of being bulletproof, which means I can help you prove every number that's on any financial statement that we ever produce from your books. Most importantly, when you have books that are that reliable, you can make important decisions based on them so that you can actually rely on your books to use the information that's there to grow your business and make decisions about where you go in the future. So don't waste any more time. Click that button, schedule a call. Let's get started.